Hello, this is Irvin, and I'm gonna show you how to draw a wolf. So yes, just like sort of a dog with a lot of fur on its face because it's just an animal, right? It's just an animal, and it's pretty cute and vigorous at the same time. I'm gonna draw it because it's pretty hard to draw. Yeah, I'm gonna draw it because it's pretty hard to draw. Ironic, right? But real. I don't know why, but real. I'm gonna draw it because it's hard. So, yeah, so what are you waiting for? So let's get started. First, draw the outlines. As you can see, I draw 2 inches square on the middle, and then 2 inches vertical line on the top, and then 6 inches horizontal line on the top, on the upper part of it, and then 2 long lines on the side of it. No matter how long is it, just make it longer. And then draw the eyes right now. As you can see, draw 2 small circles on the upper part of it, and then as you can see, I draw it's wanted oval shape around it, and then with a little bit of a thing that is coming down. And then right now I'll make it darker. I forgot it, sorry. Draw the pupil just like rounded with a little bit of a reflection on it, so yeah. And then draw the nose. As you can see, draw like inverted curved triangle. And then draw the vertical line at the bottom, and then do nostrils on it. Just like spiral. And then make the nostrils darker. And then draw some contour shadings on it. And blend it. And then draw the mouth. Draw the contour shadings again on the mouth. And then draw the spiral line around the eyes. And then draw the curved line on the upper part of it. And then draw the ears. And then draw them fur around the face. And then draw them wider fur on the middle of the face. Draw it around the spiral. And then draw it on the nose bridge into the mouth. And then draw them fur on the ears. And then draw them line of fur on the middle. And then draw them fur on the inner part of the ears. And then draw water fur on the top part of it. Draw them fur on the bottom part of it. As you can see, I didn't put a fur on its place because it is common to the wolves. So yeah, so and yeah, that's how you judge a wolf. So as you can see, I'm getting a hard time in drumming a wolf because look at it, and it's just why it takes 4 hours to judge a wolf. That's pretty crazy, but yeah, you can judge right now. So thank you so much for watching. So hope to watch my next video to learn more about my next challenge.